it's quite interesting that we had two words, earn and learn. And the problem today is, more than learning, everyone is after earning. How many of you go to college to just get knowledge? Gyan chahiye, gyan. है कोई? हाथ उठाओ. कोई नहीं. How many of you want rokda? Earning is such a powerful emotion on our heart. Everything we do practically is to earn. More than earning name, fame, character, we are probably after earning a lot of money. And then how we earn that money is again another thing. By hook or crook. Kaise to chahiye bas. Somehow or the other we just want that money. You know, na baap bada na bhaiya. सबसे बड़ा रुपया. भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. You know, an average teacher in any school in India today, in 10 years after earning, you know how much an average teacher will save? Probably about 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. I'm saying on the higher end. You know, a software engineer, in 10 years, how much he will save? His 10-year income saving probably be around, maybe about 40-50 lakhs. Again, I'm saying on the higher end, probably that much. How much would not a good one, but a corrupt politician, save after 10 years of his political, I won't say Vijji, scams, controversies, about 30-40 crores, 50 crores. I'm not talking of 2G. General scams I'm talking. 50 crore. Imagine what people wearing this can earn. One very famous man, spiritual guru in India, his 10-year saving was 238 crores only. Another man, again spiritual, religious leader, his 10-year saving was 1,177 crores only. Another man, again religious leader, his saving was 10 years, 4,000 crores only. Choose your career carefully, Baba. What you are earning, software engineer? Therefore they say, छोड़ो घर बार चलो हरिद्वार. Of course, this is not a blanket statement on the lighter side. I'm talking of people who don't represent religion properly. This is not to criticize religious sadhus or monks. Many who are so pure and sincere. But in the name of religion, we can do many things. Hook or crook, earning matters. Earning matters. Whichever way you do it, but earning matters. One 20-year-old lady got married to a 100-year-old guy. तो इस 20-year-old's friend के मैंने क्या देखा तूने उसमें? 100 साल का बुढ़ाऊ है, तू 20 साल की सुंदर लड़की है, क्या देखा उसमें? It's very simple. पहले तो उनका इनकम, दूसरा उनके दिन कम. Very simple. His income is heavy and his din is come. So it's just a matter of few days, it will all be mine. I'll tell you the slogan today is, hook or crook, earn money. Because money is sweeter than honey. So appealing to all of us. Incredible, I'm amazed. One professor in a college asked the student, he said, MBA college, studying finance. So he said, which is the most important law of finance to start a good business? This guy replies, father-in-law. It's the best law. Get me. All the earning will come without hard work, start business. No problem. Indian minds are very intelligent guys. Indian youth. What I truly feel is, I'm not saying earning is bad. I'm not at all saying money is bad. It's a need. It's a need to live life. Socially it's needed. For higher purposes, social service, philanthropic work, for spiritual purposes, it's needed. I'm not against money. Not against earning money. My point is, in the course of pursuing earning of money, we have forgotten learning in our lives. It's quite funny that all of us go through life. We don't grow through life. Life is not meant for going through. Life is meant for growing through. Going through comes with money. Growing through comes by learning. Going through is earning. Growing through is learning. If you want to know how rich you are, see the things that you have that money cannot buy. That will tell you how rich you are. If you want to know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands reach to wipe that tear. Some people are so poor that all they have is money. Can you imagine? I must tell you something. I must say, ladies and gentlemen here, because we have some ladies sitting here. I must tell you something. In the pursuit of earning, do not forget learning. And the difference between the word earn and learn is an alphabet L. That's all. Add a L to earn, it becomes learn. What is that L? How do you learn? The first step of learning, L, is listen. Listen carefully to people who have experience. Listen carefully to people who have knowledge. Listen carefully to people who have wisdom and maturity. Listen carefully to people who are basing their life, their words, their actions on the words of the Lord Almighty, who has given us a direction to our lives. Listen to these people. What is Prerna about? Prerna is turning your earning into learning. I congratulate all of you to come here practically every month to add the L, to learn. By listening to these discourses, by listening to these talks, and changing the perspectives of your life. So our slogan is neither earn nor learn. Our slogan is earn and